In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple WordPress plugin WordPress tutorial. We'll walk through the WordPress.com interface to find and start with a plugin, using the built-in marketplace and setup flow so you can add the right tool to your site with confidence. First, head to WordPress.com and open the Sites section. If you manage more than one site, choose the one you want to work on from your list. This ensures any changes you make apply to the correct website. Once you're inside your site dashboard, look for plugins in the left-hand navigation. If you don't see it, your plan may not support third-party plugins. Upgrading or using a compatible plan will reveal this option. Click Plugins, then open the Plugins Marketplace to explore what's available. You'll land on a curated catalog. Click the Discover area to browse featured recommendations and learn what's popular. From here, try exploring categories to zero in on what you need. Start with search engine optimization to see tools that help your site rank better. Next, switch over to e-commerce and business to view solutions for selling products or managing leads. Jump into booking and scheduling if you run appointments, then check Events Calendar to find tools for listings and RSVPs. If you want to compare options again, move back to e-commerce and business, and then return to search engine optimization to refine your shortlist. Browsing like this gives you a clearer picture of what each category offers before you commit. When you're ready to dive deeper, open a plugin listing, such as Yoast SEO. On the detail page, read through the description, features, and guidance to confirm it matches your goals. Scroll through sections like Handing You the Competitive Edge to understand how the plugin improves your workflow and what to expect after activation. If you need to jump back, you can always return to the main plugins area from the top navigation. To proceed with this plugin, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through a quick setup flow. First, you'll choose a domain. You can search for a new domain if you're creating a fresh site to use with this plugin. If you already have a domain, select the option that indicates you have one and follow the prompts to use it. When your choice is set, click Continue to move forward. That's it. You've navigated the marketplace, evaluated categories, opened a plugin detail